Hi.
Could you please put your phones in the box?
Why?
Wow.
Oh, this is awful.
This is going to be your phone for the next 24 hours.
I can't use this for 24 hours.
No, not a chance.
Can I have my other one, please?
Text 2 friends each to let them know you will have a new phone number for the next 24 hours. Good luck.
Don't even know how to turn this thing on.
Let's give it a go.
How do I send a text?
Oh, it's on.
I don't actually think I can text. I'm guessing that's the text message box.
I'm calling someone.
How old do you think these phones are?
Hundreds of years old.
Like 30 years old.
Have you managed to send a text yet?
No.
I'm trying.
It's not working.
Sending message.
Message sent. Add a contact into your phone.
Already done.
Okay, come back and get your phones tomorrow.
I've got to tell you something. It's not good. I don't know how it would work, this piece of shit.
What's going on? I've been trying to FaceTime you.
Look at this, mate.
What is that? What's that, like a calculator?
20-year-old phone.
Is there even a camera on that?
No, there's no camera.
What?
I can't do anything. Luckily, I got hold of you the other day saying that we were going to meet.
Hi. My phone's been taken away from me and replaced by this. It's a 20-year-old phone. Oh my god, it's older than me. I've just got nothing. So you don't want to swap it for yours, do you? No.
Work. Why won't you work?
Mum, I need to use your phone.
Oh, my friends are on Snapchat. This is ruining my life. Okay.
Oh, you alright?
Yeah, you?
Yeah, good. How's it been?
Long 24 hours.
These phones are awful.
What about the 20-year-old technology then?
I don't know how they did it. Here we go.
You?
All these messages.
Seriously? I'm out of here.
See you later.
Yeah.